The prone incline lateral raise with isometric holds is an excellent exercise for building strength and control through the upper back, particularly the mid-trapezius and rhomboids. In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform the exercise correctly and how to progress it over time. To begin, set an adjustable bench to approximately a 45-degree incline. Lie face down on the bench with your chest supported and your head comfortably above the top of the bench. I prefer to keep my legs straight with my feet flat on the floor for stability. With your non-working arm, reach around the back of the bench and hold it for support. This helps to keep the shoulders level and provides additional stability throughout the exercise. With your working arm, let the arm hang straight down towards the floor with the palm facing in towards the bench. Before lifting the arm, gently contract the tricep and keep the elbow straight. A slight bend in the elbow is perfectly acceptable, but we don't want the elbow to bend excessively during the movement. To initiate the movement, pull the shoulder blade back and down. Avoid shrugging the shoulder up towards your ear. Instead, think about pulling your shoulder blade down towards your back pocket. Once the shoulder is set, lift the arm out to the side. The arm shouldn't travel in an A shape with the hand down near the hip, and it shouldn't move directly out to the side in a perfect T shape either. Instead, we're looking for a slight Y shape. From a side view, the hand should finish in line or slightly above the ear at the top of the movement. As you raise the arm, think about pulling the shoulder blade towards your spine and squeezing the muscles between your shoulder blades. At the top of the movement, hold an isometric contraction. This is an active hold. You're trying to lift the arm as high as possible and contract the muscles of the upper back as hard as you can. Typically, I recommend holding this position for 5 to 10 seconds before slowly lowering the arm back down and relaxing the shoulder. Every repetition begins the same way. Set the shoulder blade back and down, lift the arm and hold the contraction, then lower the arm under control. The goal of the exercise is twofold. First, we're trying to build a strong mind-muscle connection with the mid-trapezius and the rhomboids. Second, we're trying to improve strength and range of motion through these muscles to create stronger, healthier, and more stable shoulders. This improves shoulder function and carries over nicely to upper body pressing and pulling exercises. The progression here is simple. We start on a 45-degree incline. Once you can consistently raise the hand above the height of the ear, lower the bench to a 35-degree incline and repeat the process. From there, progress to a 15-degree incline. And finally, we progress to a flat bench. As the bench gets lower, the exercise becomes more challenging because you're working harder against gravity closer to the end range of motion. One thing to note is that on a 15-degree incline and on a flat bench, you won't be able to lower the arm all the way down. We simply lower the arm down to the floor, and then we perform the next repetition by setting the shoulder blade back and down before lifting the arm. Only once you can perform this exercise on a flat bench and consistently raise the hand above the ear should you consider adding external load. There is no point loading the movement if you haven't earned the range of motion. Master the movement first, then strengthen the movement. This exercise can be a fantastic tool for improving upper back strength, shoulder stability, and long-term shoulder health. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.